know we still high as fuck. Cause I literally just got done smoking. Came inside, told my sister I'm about to go get us some Starbucks and something to eat. And then I hopped my ass in the car. So yes, y'all get 3 videos back to fucking back. And that's on period. Well yeah, I'm about to take us to Starbucks. And I'm about to take us to McDonald's. Cause y'all know, if y'all don't know me, I love some fucking McDonald's. I love McDonald's. Why the fuck I'm looking like Lil Boosie? And anyways, I'm gonna take us to McDonald's. And then I'm going to take us to home. Because, you know, a bitch be high as fuck trying to get something to eat, want to grub. So yeah. Make sure you guys wear y'all mask. This is not my mask. This mask too fucking big. It's my wide face mama. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna need a mask when we go. Oh, here you go. I'm gonna need a mask when we go inside Target because I'm balling on a budget. You feel me? So I want Starbucks. Starbucks is kind of expensive. So you know I got my little 20% Target coupon for the Target red circle. Yeah, and I'm gonna use that. Now you got to be a little bougie on the budget, and that's me. Nappy headed too, but yeah. Then I'm gonna get us a dub later so we can smoke again. But y'all know a bitch off tomorrow. Oh, smoke sesh. Yeah, a bitch is off tomorrow, so you know smoke sesh. And then yeah, so it's gonna be like a little high ass mukbang. So yeah. But yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Too high to remember. Got a phone call. But yeah, I'm waiting for Jay to go inside the house to get the car tripod so y'all won't be falling. At least I can prop y'all up and be a little bit more proper with me driving. So yeah, I really want Chipotle. Chipotle hits so fucking good when you're high, I tell you. Actually, I'm gonna get Chipotle because I'm not buying her nothing to eat. I'm just buying her a drink. I'm gonna get Chipotle, Chipotle. Even though I fuck with the McDoubles, but I'm gonna get Chipotle and I'm gonna just take him to Chick-fil-A. Cause normally when I like to eat a little bit expensive and not try to be so broke on a budget. I mean, everybody like to say McDonald's is a broke people place, but I don't think so. McDonald's just got great food, period. Like certain foods that I eat, they got great desserts and McFlurries and stuff like that and drink choices. But I'm a McDonald's girl. And I'm also a Chipotle girl. Chipotle not as expensive, but when you're shopping for 2 or eating for 2, it's a little expensive. And I'm not talking about I'm pregnant, so don't put that in y'all heads. I'm saying me and Jay, it's kind of expensive, but he really don't think so. It's okay, come on. He really don't think so. So yeah, he really don't care when it comes to for me for Chipotle. Got a man like that, but yeah. But he really loves Chick-fil-A because he loves chicken tenders. Baby. Damn, I'm not about to hit you the fuck. Don't do that. They might think something. You act like I'm not fucking hitting you.
Hello? What's up? You what's your name? You at the crib? Ain't nobody at the crib? Nope. Damn. You said you got some cookies? Cause I only got the car for right now, and I was gonna say I could have came to come get it from you. Yeah. Nah, yeah. I get it.
outside Target, so we wound up at the drive-thru. Oh, she went home with her white mocha caramel with her cold brew on top. Cause girl, I know that drink by heart. That's how I know you got that pumpkin cold brew. Oh, there she go. But yeah. But anyways, yeah. So I decided to be a little broke on the budget, bougie. You feel me? So I decided we just gonna get a Trenta drink, and also we need to film that part because that's a TikTok hat, and remember we're supposed to fill our TikTok hats. So yeah, and we're also just gonna get 2 Trenta cups of ice. I mean 2 venti cups of ice and pour that in. Bitch, don't hit me. Yeah, and then my sister little grande refresher, because I realized if I was just gonna get a drink that was similar to it, and I know 9 out of 10 he was just probably gonna get the Starfruit refresher, which I can include in that drink, why not just mix it and pour it inside 1 cup and save $1? You know, we're not saving $1, but we saving multiple dollars, because we'll save like multiple dollars. Yeah. Did you want Chick-fil-A? What you get?
Not Chick-fil-A sandwich.
That Chick-fil-A sandwich.
You want some food?
Okay. But yeah, this is that hot drive with me plus mukbang. I ain't do this in a minute. Oh, time to go up and make our order. My orders.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. Can I get served for you today?
Yes, can I have 1 grande vanilla bean frap?
Sure thing.
And also, can I have a Trenta mango dragon refresher?
Sure thing.
Add guava juice, lemonade.
Alrighty.
And add guava juice
Sure thing.
and peach juice.
Alrighty.
And just a splash of the strawberry acai, and that with no ice.
Alrighty. Make sure I got that for you. It's like guava, like peach, and like, what was that?
Strawberry acai.
Alrighty, and that was with lemonade, correct?
Yes, and no ice.
Alrighty.
And just 2 venti cups of ice, and that will be it.
Alrighty, and that vanilla bean was a grande, correct?
Yes.
Right on. As long as everything was right on screen. So that's 1074. You're right up the window.
Okay, thank you.
Of course, you're right up here.
Y'all see what I'm talking about? 1074. 1074. 1074 for 2 drinks. Hey, now you see what I'm talking about. Just think if we would have got like all 3 of us a drink. Get that fucking mask off of that goddamn scar. But yeah, 1074. It's not bad because we got a Trenta, but you feel me? It's okay. I know it's Starbucks. And you should pay attention. Y'all smell it? It smells good. Hug it and kiss you. Especially when I used to sweat you. Like, girl, you special. You the type of a girl.
Yeah, you want to be talking about me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. This was supposed to be Trenta. Trenta. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh wow, that was.
Yeah, there's some other shit going on. They don't be giving a fuck.
What?
You realize that? Oh no, you can keep it. We can't take it back.
Thank you. You slow. Cause the window wouldn't go down. Thank you.
And that reading will be right out.
Okay, thank
Sorry
you.
about that.
It's okay.
No, I thought they saw me through the window and I was like, girl, like, don't do that.
I don't want to now.
It was like, and I was like,
It's so slow. But yeah, they gave us this for free because it was actually supposed to be a Trenta, so it's still good. And then I got so embarrassed just saying the window wouldn't go down. And I'm just over there. Why the fuck my camera? Apple, get your shit together. Damn, over here got me looking like fucking little Boosie and shit.
oh, hey, I'm here.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, you too. Put your lips off of that. Fill your cup up. The fuck? JB tripping. Always trying to steal and shit.
I ain't stealing. I'm tasting. You acting like I'm.
Do you miss me when I'm busy on the road? Wonder, do you need me? I've been used to all alone. Cause I'm thinking about you. Yeah, yeah.
I've been thinking about you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just in case you feel it. Nasty, baby. Cars closing, hold on, trading.
For a guaranteed spot in your arms. Wonder, do you miss me when I'm busy on the road? Wonder, do you need me? I've been Alright, so I went and got me a trip to Passion. Yeah, but anyways, it filled up the other cup that Jay has. So yes, that TikTok hack does work. Okay, you guys, so we are currently at Steak and Shake because the Chick-fil-A line was too goddamn long. So he about to get, let's see, is this mythical right? No purchase necessary. Okay, and the free fries. You see what I'm
Thank
saying?
you for choosing Steak and Shake. We're going to make our seats today.
Yes, can I have the garlic steak burger?
Did you want the combo?
No. Just the burger only, and can I also have the free fries?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. No, that's it.
427.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am? No, I was. As soon as I was about to pick up, you had hung up. Dang. Yes, ma'am, but then somebody had requested to take her shift for today. Cookies?
Y'all, we were about this close to getting our ass hurt. Yeah, my
Well,
mom
I
had
said-
called.
I
I was
mean-
like, oh shit, fuck that total meal right about now. You want a $4.59? And I'm like, God damn. Oh, so the free fries does work upon request. If you don't ask for it, they'll tell you wanted the free fries. So yeah.
They like, you don't ask. You
Not
don't
getting it. Oh shit. Okay, let me do Apple Pay.
God, my baby been watching movies with me for the first time in forever.
Literally forever. Anyways, y'all, we about to get ready to grow up. Yeah. You in my business, you in my Chick-fil-A business, Chipotle business.
Exactly. Wrong even. Yeah, you don't even deserve it.
Well, yeah, he is in my business. Let's do this, cause oh, a child is ready to grow up.
Yeah, I made sure it was the full, half sauce. Sour cream.
That nut cream.
You want to sit that on there? You can.
For 10.
And last but not least,
let's talk about how they spelled my name wrong. My name is not Tyrese. My name is Tyra. But yeah, it's a chicken bowl, right, rice, and extra cheese. Chipotle actually made it look festive this time. You can go ahead and open yours up.
I am. I'm just good.
You tried that. Now let me go ahead and add my vinaigrette and then show y'all.